Today we're going to be making Philly cheesesteaks with roast beef and not steak, but you could use steak as well making these. So I got a really good deal on French bread that's so delicious, very long pieces at Sam's Club here. And basically I just cut them in threes and kind of opened up the bread. And I guess that makes it a little bit cheaper, but the bread is really, really delicious. So I cut up the bread and I put some mayonnaise on it. Now I'm going to put some fresh cooked vegetables on it. So I chopped up some vegetables, bell pepper, mushrooms, and these are fresh too, and onion, and put some seasoning. And I cooked them for about 10 to 12 minutes and, dashed some olive oil in it. And so that's going to be our vegetables going in the Philly cheesesteak. Put the vegetables on. I got a pound of this Angus roast beef from Sam's Club here. And it's actually a little bit cheaper than going to other grocery stores. But I'm going to use this instead of shaved steak or cutting up steak. But like I said, you can use it either way if you like. But this time I'm going to choose roast beef. Put the roast beef on. I put 2 pieces of Sargento mozzarella cheese on it. So now I put it in my air fryer as a toaster, and I'm going to cook it, or I should say toast it. Now look how good that looks. Yum, yum. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like all of our videos. Thanks again for watching.